Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Dogecoin price prediction and Dogecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogecoin in 2022. Let's remember where the well-known Dogecoin or Doge came from. It was born from the popular internet meme Doge, and its logo depicts a dog of the Shiba Inu breed. The open-source digital currency was created by Billy Marcus of Portland, Oregon and Jackson Palmer of Sydney, Australia as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013. The creators of Dogecoin saw it as a fun and laid-back cryptocurrency that would be more appealing to outside of the mainstream audience of Bitcoin, since it refers to the famous dog meme. Also, you probably often heard about Elon Musk's mentions of Dogecoin. He explained this support by the fact that he considers this altcoin to be the people's cryptocurrency, since many Tesla and SpaceX employees own it. Also, the head of Tesla and SpaceX denied information that is related to the development of Dogecoin. Musk stated that none of his associates, including Jared Birchall, are members of the Dogecoin Foundation, which supports and develops the altcoin. In August, the organization announced a revival, and also announced that its advisors included Musk representative Jared Birchall and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. Right now we will tell you important news about the Dogecoin cryptocurrency. Dogecoin continues on a downturn post a mini revival. The crypto market overall noted gains in the last 24 hours, reversing certain effects of the recent bloodbath. Dogecoin on the other hand particularly saw some extreme choppiness over the past week or so. It is however too soon to say if the market is on its way to a solid recovery. Bitcoin was priced at $41K, as it recently toppled over the $40,000 mark, marking a sharp increase by 8% over the past day. The price of the meme coin nosedived by 10% since the beginning of March, ever since which all eyes have been fixed on Dogecoin. Although Dogecoin in the last week had managed to secure a breakout from the downtrend, the bears continued to claw the price momentum down. The price of Dogecoin stands at $0.120 at the time of writing. On February 24th, the meme coin had plummeted to a multi-month low of $0.112. At press time, the coin manages to stand just a few notches above the aforementioned price. In the last 24 hours, however, Dogecoin has tried to break out of the downtrend. The coin managed to revisit the $0.118 price floor. However, the bulls have most likely jumped ship again, and Dogecoin is back to trading close to the $0.118 price support line. With a continued downtrend, Doge could again target its 10-month low price level of $0.112. The technical outlook of the coin continues to flash an extremely bearish signal, as the asset witnessed selling strength again. There is a robust resistance level at the $0.134 price level, as the token had tried to break past that level at the beginning of March. Doge was unable to trade anywhere close to it ever since March began. The asset was seen trading below the 20 small mark, which signified that sellers regained the price momentum in the market. After witnessing a death cross, as the 50 small line was over the 20 small line last week, the coin continued its downtrend. The volume of Dogecoin also flashed a decline along with the past two trading sessions closing in red as seen on the chart. For most of March so far, the market barely witnessed any buying strength. The coin has tried to bring in buyers in the past 24 hours, however it failed to hold its momentum. The relative strength index reflects the same reading as the indicator slowly crept below the half line at press time, indicating a selling strength again. Dogecoin, Avalanche, Gala price analysis. After nosediving to its 10-month low on 24 February, Doge recovered its previous losses by registering a 35% ROI and testing the $0.136 level. As the sellers stepped in at the $0.136 resistance, Doge withdrew in a down channel, yellow, over the last 9 days. This pullback found support at its 2-week trendline support near the $0.115 mark. Consequently, the bulls found a pattern breakout and jumped above its 4-hour 20 EMA. The immediate hurdle for the alt was still at the 50 EMA sign. At press time, Doge traded at $0.1224. After heading into the oversold region, the RSI revived in an ascending triangle. As a result, it broke above the 40 mark resistance as the buyers stepped in to claim an edge. Now, the 53 level could pose a barrier as the sellers endeavored to counter the bullish pressure. Also, the DMI lines reaffirmed the increasing buying influence, but were yet to witness a bullish crossover. As the bulls finally gathered enough impetus from its January lows, AVAX noted staggering 85. Better to own physical things like a home, or stock in companies you think make good products, than dollars when inflation is high, Musk said via Twitter as part of a conversation with Bitcoin bull Michael Saylor. I still own, and won't sell my Bitcoin, Ethereum or Doge. Musk, who'd asked his Twitter followers what their thoughts were about the probable inflation rate over next few years, was replying to Saylor, the chief executive of business intelligence software company MicroStrategy, who predicted consumer inflation will continue near all-time highs, and asset inflation will run at double the rate of consumer inflation over the next few years, adding, weaker currencies will collapse, and the flight of capital from cash, debt, and value stocks to scarce property like Bitcoin will intensify. It is not entirely unpredictable that you would reach that conclusion, Musk responded, referring to Saylor's large Bitcoin holdings. MicroStrategy, a decades-old software company, has pivoted to a Bitcoin acquisition vehicle over the last couple of years. MicroStrategy now holds just over 125,000 Bitcoins, currently valued at about $4.8 billion. Musk, who's become one of the most divisive figures in the crypto community over the last year, has repeatedly called for upgrades to the meme-based Bitcoin rival Dogecoin, suggesting last year Doge could work with Ethereum to beat Bitcoin hands down. While Musk has said he personally owns Bitcoin, Ethereum and Dogecoin, it's not known how much or when he bought the cryptocurrencies. Last week, the latest U.S. inflation numbers showed consumer price inflation rocketed to a 4-decade high, as rent, fuel and food costs climbed even before Russia's invasion of Ukraine triggered a sharp rise in energy prices. On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve is set to hike interest rates for the first time since the coronavirus pandemic sent the global economy into meltdown in an attempt to curb soaring inflation. Markets expect the Fed will follow through on plans to increase interest rates, but how far and how fast is now very much in doubt, Danny Hewson, a financial analyst of brokerage A.J. Bell, said in an emailed note. Once again, external factors are in the driving seat, and there are big questions about how effective rate rises will be at cooling those hot prices. Well, now we will discuss the Dogecoin price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, based on the following concept. Dogecoin is currently worth 12 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $16,144,362,591, making it the 12th most valuable coin. Okay, let's start with this year. The forecast for 2022 is as follows. Doge has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Dogecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 20 cents. Doge is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 may end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 20 cents. By the way, after today's drawdown news, it might make sense to buy this coin, but let's look at the next forecast for 2023. So, in fact, what 2023 promises us, experts predict that basic analysis is important for a long-term forecast of the Dogecoin price. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Doge price will rise to around 25 cents by 2023, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of 30 cents with a minimum price, 25 cents level. And what about those who decided to keep it even longer? Analysts give the following forecasts. Dogecoin forecasts for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Dogecoin could cross 42 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 35 cents. And if you are ready to hold this cryptocurrency for more than 3 years, then the next